How to permanently delete Daraz account. First, open the Daraz app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the account option at the bottom right corner. You will now see your Daraz account page. At the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, and go to account security. Look for the privacy protection option, and here, you will see an option called account deletion. Tap on account deletion to start the process of permanently deleting your Daraz account. Now Daraz will ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. You may see different verification options, such as email verification. Select verify through email. Daraz will send a 6-digit verification code to your registered email address. Now go to phone home screen. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Daraz. Open this email. Scroll up, copy the 6-digit code and return to the Daraz app. Enter the code in the verification field and tap Verify Code. After your identity has been verified, you will see the account deletion page. Daraz will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. You can choose any reason that matches your situation, such as changing your registered phone number, changing your email address, not using the account anymore, or being dissatisfied with the shopping experience. You can also select others. After selecting a reason, tap Confirm to continue. Daraz will now show you important information about account deletion. Keep in mind that account deletion is permanent. After your account is successfully deleted, you will no longer be able to log in or access your account history. Any unused cash rebates, credits, discounts, or vouchers may also be forfeited. Linked payment methods and other connected services will be unlinked, so read this information carefully before continuing. After reading the account deletion information, scroll down and tick the box confirming that you have read and agreed to the Daraz terms of usage. Once the checkbox is selected, tap on the Confirm button. If you have any balance in your Daraz wallet, make sure you withdraw it, where permitted, or use the available balance before deleting your account. You should also make sure that there are no pending orders, returns, refunds, exchanges, or disputes that you still need to resolve. Once your account is deleted, you may no longer be able to request these services for transactions on the account. Daraz will then show you one final confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to delete your account. If you are completely sure, tap Confirm again. Your Daraz account will then be permanently deleted. So this is how you can permanently delete your Daraz account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.